Monroe. Some of you may have already noticed a major Hollywood movie is being filmed right here in our own backyard. Anna Zelinsky, the producer of Dancer and the Dame, is here. And also actress Eva LaRue. You may recognize her from CSI Miami and also All My Children. She was on both of those shows for a long time. She joins us here. And also Cheryl Wicker, a producer of the film, also local producer here. Thank you, ladies, so much for joining us today. Quite an honor. I've never sat on a couch with a television star before. Not in a long time, anyway. Not in Monroe.
You're a television star. How can you say that?
Oh, please, come on.
Sit on the couch with
Thank you. Oh, thank you all so much for being here. It's such an honor to have you all here. And Anna, you are actually a native of this area. You were back here filming a movie. You live in Burbank now. You've come back home to make this movie. Tell us a little bit about the movie, Dancer and the Dame.
Dancer and the Dame. Well, it stars Billy Gardell of Mike and Molly, and of course Eva LaRue. We've got some other great players coming in, Michael Badalucco, Louis Mastella from the show Mike and Molly.
Oh, okay.
So we're really excited, and they're coming in this week. Some of the great scenes are going to be filmed this week. But it's a great, it's kind of like a Turner and Hooch, you know. It's a detective story, and he's Detective Rick Dancer is paired with Princess, his new partner. And they're fighting a counterfeit ring, but intermingled is a great story where Eva's character actually helps Rick just come back to life after just kind of being down and out for a while.
Comedy, family comedy, but also it's got a great story about sort of redemption and healing for all these people who really have had a lot of loss. So even though it's a comedy, there have been a lot of loss with the main characters, and they all kind of come together to heal each other. And then there's all funny dog in it.
Yes.
So Eva, tell us a little bit about your character in the movie.
I play a psychologist. So I am...
You played a doctor on All My Children. Now you're playing a doctor again.
Yeah. I play a lot.
You play a lot of
Not only
doctors.
that, but I can solve a good crime scene. So
that's right. You have that too. You have all three of those.
I've been trained quite well in the art of crime scene solving.
Okay. So you put those two things together for this role also. That's awesome. That's great.
Right. Yeah, they don't really ask me for my help in solving the crime, but this time it's more in the help of helping put some lives back together. So there's
I got you. So tell us why you chose this location, Monroe. What brought you back here to make this movie?
I'm from here, and I always, I always thought, how cool would it be to bring home a movie? I've been in LA now for about 10 years and producing now for about 3 or 4, and it just has been a dream to be able to come home and do some movies here. I mean, Louisiana is full of, Hollywood's moved to Louisiana, it feels like.
There are a lot of things going on in Shreveport and New Orleans right now.
New Orleans, Baton Rouge, but these smaller towns don't get a piece of the pie, and I thought, well, we can do it. We've got the infrastructure to do it, and I believe in Monroe, West Monroe, so I said, let's do one here.